For installing the T725s for the Planet Fitness tanning beds, on the 70-volt side of the Bogan T725, you want to use the yellow as your hot 70-volt and the green as your common. Then you need to snip the ends off of everything else, and then you'll put these all together and tape up the ends so nothing grounds out inside the 1900 box. Then on the 8-ohm side, I'll show you here in a second. So this is taped up, nothing's going to ground out. On the 8-ohm side, we're tapping at 2 watts, which is the red color. So you want your black to black and your red to red, clip all the other ends again, and then tape up this side. Making sure nothing is touched and grounding out. You can see the different length ends that are put on there. Then place the unit inside the wall. And the faceplate goes right on top. Make sure your length of cable that you leave for the tanning guys goes all the way to the other side of the room with at least 4 foot of spare on the other side.